Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is going to be an interesting year, 2025. In a couple of weeks, we'll be entering the last 10 months of Windows 10 as supported. Then, of course, there will be the $30 for an extra year, which seems to be only one. So for now, they'll add that year, and Windows 11 will have had survived a total of 11 years before being gone. And of course, all eyes will be on the numbers in 2025. Still at 60% market share in December 20, less than a year. I mean, it's incredible. What will Microsoft make as decisions? And that will be an interesting one. There's speculation all over the place. There are people that are saying, well, they have to extend it even more. They'll have to give more than 1 year. Some people say, well, they just can't abandon it. One thing for sure is Microsoft has never been in that spot where this operating system that they are trying to get rid of is still so high, so close to the end. I guess a lot of things can happen, and we know Microsoft will sometimes back away from decisions and change things around. They are saying, and have said again and again and again this week, that they're not changing the minimum requirements for Windows 11, which means the market share for Windows 10 will stay pretty high throughout the year 2025. I expect it to be below 50% by the end of support in October, but I also expect it to still be quite high, and maybe even almost, as high as Windows 11, if not still higher. Imagine if we get to a Windows 10 that is at 50% by end of support. That means Windows 11 will be, I don't know, if you could take into account the low numbers of the other Windows versions still left, 47%. And that would mean that for the first time ever, a Windows operating system that is on the way out is still more popular than a new operating system that by the end of next year, Windows 11 will have had over 4.5 years of life. Kind of interesting. What will happen also with the PC sales will determine how fast this change could be. If there would be a lot more PC sales, that would mean that Windows 10 might drop faster than we think. With pop-ups, because we know Microsoft will send some pop-ups on the screen telling you, well, you've got to move on to Windows 11, the best and greatest, and so on, because your Windows 10 is about to end. One of the things that we know is that most of the time Windows operating systems are adopted with a new PC, so PC sales will be the driving force behind Windows 11 if it really reaches a new heights by the end of 2025. There's no doubt that Windows 11 will still continue to grow, but how fast, that will be to be determined. So here we are, and if you think about it, kind of crazy that time flies like this. Still remember making the video where Windows 10 was just released back in July of 2015. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.